So should I start?
No, you start.
That's what I just said.
No, I'm saying I should start.
You should start.
No, I'm gonna start.
But you just said ladies first.
Guys,
Fine, you start.
this is the first time I'm working with Cobra. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Anyway, we've been friends for a long
Friends
time.
forever. In the past.
Lucky for her.
With his sense of humor? I don't think so.
Anyway, चलें जी कि एक जल्दी से कर लेते हैं क्योंकि टाइम कम है. Hers, I found
His?
dairy milk. Hers
What?
dairy milk.
Dairy milk?
100%.
What the hell is dairy milk?
Cadbury dairy milk.
I don't even like Cadbury.
You love dairy milk. Don't lie. Don't lie. You love. You're eating every time we would take a what's it called break at a fuel station in London. You would get dairy.
Tell me the one time I got dairy milk. I've
Every
gotten
time.
Kinder Bueno, I've gotten Flakes, I've gotten Twirl. I've
ये सब
never
यहाँ पे आने
gotten.
चाहिए इनकी तस्वीरें आनी चाहिए जो भी हम
I've-
पोस्ट कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे लगाएं.
And I've never gotten dairy milk.
She always gotten dairy milk.
There's this thing, this Jeep pudding kind of situation. मुझे नाम याद नहीं आ रहा. He would get it every.
Protein pudding.
Yeah, protein pudding. There you go. I got that right.
I also got it.
No, you did not. I've never had it. Oh, I don't really know about that. He listened to. I think he's probably listened to iska OST jo wo bana raha hai. He has no choice but to listen to that right now. I'm right again. Now your turn.
She was listening to what was that Anuj Jain song you was listening to?
Anujan? Achha, I'm not listening to that anymore.
On shoot. They're saying on shoot.
मैं भी on shoot की बात कर रही हूँ.
जो तुम मेरे ना हो. I think that's what it's called.
No,
Really nice song. You played to me and you played to Sikandar bhai.
it was Salman from Coke Studio.
From Coke Studio Mehman, yes. There was that. There was also.
मतलब मुल्क की फर्क है, but it's okay.
नहीं ये दोनों थे. Hers chai.
I actually love caramel latte.
No, you don't.
I
No,
love
you don't.
every day I would have caramel latte with penne chocolat. Every day. Are you paying attention, Azan Sami Khan?
Okay, what's mine?
Wow.
What's mine?
He would have what, tea or latte, chai or latte?
Chai or latte? No.
He would have black coffee. It's literally 3-0 right now. I hope you realize that. He worked on.
Where we
You
met
know.
for the first time. Wow. Parvaz Janu?
Acting, bro.
No, we're talking
Acting
about any
baat kar
project
rahe
that
hain
we
na?
worked on together.
Oh, any project. Yeah, Parvaz.
Parvaz Janu?
Yeah, Parvaz.
I was doing the music, she was acting in it.
Yeah, well,
We
I
met-
was kind of acting in it.
Yeah. Okay. And she snorts a lot. Whenever she laughs and she thinks she's really funny, she'll snort like this.
Yes.
अच्छा जी अगला सवाल.
No, but you should ask the question. What is the first ever project he's worked on? Ishke La.
Yes.
Your turn.
Which is the first project you worked on?
I ever worked on in Pakistan.
Ever worked on Pakistan?
Ever worked on in Pakistan. नहीं कोई मदद नहीं करेगा इस सेट पे. ये देख यही आंसर है.
नहीं मैं बताता हूँ. Film wise, I know JPN won. JPN won. Right?
The first ever project.
No, I said film wise. The first film was JPN won. Right?
No. The first ever work I had done in Pakistan, the first ever
Sange Mamu.
was Namal Mafrad.
What?
ये हाल है, ये दोस्ती है, अल्लाह माफ करे वैसे.
The first film wasn't
Namal Mafrad.
one. I did not know. That's
Of course
a
you
surprise.
didn't know.
I don't know who you admire. And don't crack the oh, I don't even. Wow.
Me.
Yeah.
I just saved you, bro.
Yeah, you did.
I just
She
saved you.
saved me right now. Yes, I admire Cobra.
Yes. Me, go me.
Who does she admire? I think, okay, a serious jawab dete hain. I think she, mashallah, in her career has worked with so many people of all, new plus all the seniors, that when I was working with her for the first time on this project, I was like, when you're friends with someone, you kind of don't appreciate their talent. And I was like, bro, not just her own talent, but she's probably worked with all these guys and been able to be a sponge to them as well. So it was amazing to see that. So I think I wouldn't say you admire one person. You've probably like given respect to a lot of people and then been able to see and learn things from all of them.
I agree. I think honestly, I'm a product of everybody I've worked with, good and bad.
And your own capabilities.
Of course.
And
yeah.
having fantastically cool friends like me.
I think that, like he said, I think I am a product of everybody I've worked with, good and bad. And honestly, I have love and respect for every single one of them because they've taught me something or the other, good or bad. कुछ जो करना चाहिए जो नहीं करना चाहिए वो भी. So I thank every single one of you तहे दिल से. His.
You know, she made an emoji of mine.
Oh yes, I love that.
She made an emoji of mine.
Yes,
So
I did.
for a while last year, had a fade, and I have big ears. So she made, इन्होंने एक emoji बनाया मेरा, जिसके ना मेरे कान बहुत बड़े हैं और मुझे भेजा भी था. You still have it?
Yeah, of course. Cool. That'll be good because वो बहुत अच्छी थी. I made his ears go bigger and किस है? Oh, ये रही.
Brightness बढ़ाओ.
मैं brightness भी बढ़ाऊंगी मुझे तस्वीर में दिखाना पड़ेगा वरना चाहे चाट नजर आ जाएगी हमारी.
हाँ, वो नहीं नजर आ सकती.
नजर आ गई? Alright.
Cobra is most used emoji. थोड़े से वाहियात चीज़ें भेजती हैं. तो I don't know अगर मैं दिखा सकता हूँ कि नहीं.
It's called sense of humor, okay?
She
नहीं,
doesn't
but ये
use
cheating
emojis.
है.
She doesn't use emojis.
I actually use a lot of emojis.
Not with me. Not with me.
But-
I know who
but-
you use them probably with. Not with me.
Yeah, no, with everybody but you. But सोचो ये चीटिंग इतनी खुल्लेम खुला कर रहा है कि चैट के थ्रू जा रहा है बंदा
एक सेकंड ये
but
emoji
you're
नहीं
literally
भेजती.
going through chat
ये
right now.
emoji नहीं भेजती लेकिन ये हम लोग साल में 2-3 दफा मिलते हैं लेकिन
Yeah.
मुझे कभी-कभी वॉइस नोट्स आते हैं पॉडकास्ट की तरह 6 मिनट के. ठीक है कि लगता है पॉडकास्ट सुन रहे हैं आपने हेडफोन लगा लिया अब आप सुनते रहे चले जा रहे हैं.
हाँ मतलब एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाना है तो
दूसरी
बस
चीज
headphone
अबाउट
लगा
हर अगर आप इनका कोई भी वॉइस नोट 1.5x पे सुने या 2x पे सुने तो लगता है तपी नहीं है. लगता है गुस्से में मतलब कि बदतमीजी कर रही है तो आप नॉर्मल स्पीड पे सुने वरना हर चीज गलत लगेगी.
Please. And this has actually happened. I actually recently had a massive argument with somebody because I had said something very normal to them and it was actually a nice message. And they're like, तुम्हें गुस्सा क्यों आया हुआ है? And I was like, huh? And I'm like, no, one X पे सुनो. And like, oh, अच्छा, okay, ठीक है, that's fine. So yeah, this is a normal thing for me. He called me
Cubes.
cubes. Funny, जब मैंने gaming पहले शुरू की थी तो my gamer clan at that time used to call me cubes as well. So yeah.
You don't have a nickname for me.
No, I don't.
Harry Potter. That would make sense.
Dobby.
Because of the ears.
No, Dobby actually had cute ears. I can't call you Dobby. Dobby was actually really sweet. Hold on, I gotta think about
I'm
something
really
else.
sweet. I'm also really sweet.
I will give you.
Dumbledore.
No, I have to think about that. But yeah, फिलहाल के लिए we'll stick with Dobby. But उसके बाद will come Aunt Petunia.
No, bro. Bye, guys. Watch Tanhai or whatever the show is called when it comes out.
Yeah, guys, because we don't know what it's gonna be called. So watch the damn thing whenever it comes out.
Inshallah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Lots of love from both of us.